Welcome! If you've noticed that your animated stickers aren't playing automatically in Telegram on your PC, you're not alone. With the latest update, some animation settings have changed, but the good news is it only takes a few clicks to turn everything back on and enjoy those lively stickers again. Let's walk through it step by step so you can enable autoplay for animated stickers in the panel without any confusion. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Once it's fully loaded, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From there, find and click on Settings. This will take you into Telegram's customization and control area, where all the important options are located. Now, inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Battery and Animations. Click on it to open more detailed options related to performance and visual effects. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option called Animated Stickers and make sure it's enabled. This allows Telegram to display animated stickers in the first place. Right below that, you'll find Autoplay and Panel. Turn this option on as well. This ensures that whenever you open the sticker panel, the animated stickers will play automatically instead of staying still. After enabling both of these options, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes.